Greetings everyone. So this is a 2012 Toyota Highlander. I smelled something from the engine bay, and now I opened it and I see smoke coming out from this area, the passenger side of the vehicle. The AC compressor is off, but the smoke most likely is coming from the alternator. The water pump is sound because I just replaced it with an original compressor about 3,000 to 4,000 kilometers earlier. So this seems like it's the original alternator, and I think it's on its way out. I did the load test and it says charging low, so that means it's sending low amount of voltage on to the battery. So yeah, I think I am a candidate for a new alternator for this car. Alright, so this is the part 2 of the video. This is 3 days later. So yes, the problem was from the alternator. It was going bad and it was smoking. White smoke was coming out of it, and I got a new alternator installed. It's not brand new, but it's rebuilt, and now it's working perfectly. No smoke, no noise, but you have to give it to Toyota. The original one lasted almost 13 to 14 years and 317,000 kilometers. Not many manufacturers can build quality like that anymore. So yeah, that's the diagnostics and the repair. That's my brand new alternator, nice and shiny. All right, take care guys.